Here we are at the Dollar Tree, and I thought we'd walk through their party section. So if we start at the end here, we have all of the white. So everything from napkins to bowls to small plates and the bigger plates, plus the placemats in round and rectangular all the way to the top, and the utensils to match. Then we have these clear ones, so that's a nice option. And even the square plates. If I can reach back here, I can show you they even come in the square. Okay, then we move on to the yellow color and that lighter pink. Same thing with that. They have all of the napkins, the small plates, the bigger plates, the bowls. So you definitely have options. So then you get into the darker pink, all the way to the bottom, even with the cups, everything to match. The lighter blue, I love that powder blue. And then you get into the red, and look at that green. Almost reminds me of that St. Patty's Day green with all the utensils and everything to match. And there is that lighter green. It almost looks like a lime color, and there's all the accessories to go with it. So we have some doilies. Then we get into royal blue. Next to that, we get into purple, and then gold. So what I'm seeing here is a silver star. I like these metallic ones, so they must have stuck this in there from graduation. And here again are the square plates. These are in black, so you have all of the black. Okay, then we get into the silver section here. So you have these clear bowls. I'm really liking these are a little bit fancier. You have the trays, and then you have all the utensils to go with it. Even the silver ones along with the clear. So here you have your cordial cups, and then here you have your little mini wavy plates. These are cute condiment cups. So more cordial cups, and here guys are the platters. Okay, and here's some doilies, and I'm really liking those truffle container bowls. So here you have some more trays and some more serving bowls. Aren't they beautiful? I love these. So that's what they look like. Then they have the clear. So if you're going clear, they have these round plates. And then they have those bowls. And then here you have the ice buckets. Aren't they beautiful? Here you have the mini foil condiment cups. They're calling them condiment cups, so you can use these as mini little muffin cups. Okay, some more clear trays. I'm absolutely loving these clear scalloped on the top. Some more trays here. Serving bowls. Their bowls are pretty big. See, here's the cups, and here is the bowls. Here's some more cups, and they come in a pack of 12. These are nice little dessert cups. So you have your wine glasses. These are called water glasses. Now here again you have your little utensils, and look, I really like these little scoopers and the serving spoons, and here they are in the clear and then in the silver. The tongs, the serving spoons, even your settings, your cutlery. A set of 12 for $1. That's so nice. Then these are called mini square bowls. These are more of the scallop ones. And these have the silver rim top. Then you have these bowls here. These are nice for crafting. Okay, so then here are the tongs, and here are the mini spoons. And what are these? Okay, they even have the napkins, the dinner napkins. These are pretty. These are new to our Dollar Tree. And here's the serving set. The wine glasses. Okay, then we get into all of their ribbon. I have some beautiful ribbon here. Then here you have the rows of the wrapping paper. They even have wedding wrapping paper. Very nice. Then down here you have your red tinsel filler, and here's the silver one. Usually have more colors, and these are a pack of 9 mini bows. Here are the birthday glitter candles. Some more wrapping paper here, and these are some boxes, the tissue paper along the bottom and the boxes, and I'm loving this tissue paper. So you have that kind. I love this gold. So here's a banner that says happy birthday, and these are paper treat bags. Isn't that cute? Some more of that tissue paper, and then you have those foil letter banners. So that one says congratulations, Miss to Mrs. And this is bride to be. I like that. Okay. And now these bags are like the all occasion bags. They don't say anything on them. So they have quite a bit of those. These say happy birthday. I'll just scan those for you. Here's another all occasion bag because there's nothing really on them. I'm liking their prints. And then you have the little glitter ones. So you have this green, this yellow, and the red. That gold is so nice. Party. And then you have the stakes for the ground. Wishing you a wonderful birthday. Isn't that nice? On their birthday. And I'm loving these bags. These are so nice. So they come in that silver, this blue, this red. Then the rest of them, and that red right there is really nice. Then you have the iridescent colors here, and these are the plain bags right here. So they have the multicolored tissue here and the multicolored bows. We have all the party tablecloths. Those are all multicolor. You have the paper plates for the kids. I'm absolutely loving these. I think these are so cute. That is so pretty. So, and here are the treat bags. That is so nice. Pizza, burger, taco, and ice cream. And then here you have the utensils. Then you have the party favors for the princess and the banner. Okay, and the unicorn. And there's the mermaid on the bottom. You have the Lego, and you have the emojis. Okay. And this is the dinosaur. Look at that. I like that theme. And here's the plate. So it's kind of all mixed in, but I'm absolutely loving these hanging decorations. So all I see here is basically the ring, the engagement ring. Party swirls. They even have Lego. So more of those silver and the gold star plates. Isn't that nice? I like those for crafting. They even have these little party sticker boxes. And here's the emoji one and the Lego. And what are these? A felt garland. Those are nice. Some more party plates over here. And I was looking for a box for a craft. So let's see. I think I like this size. This is a nice size box. So let's see. This one's a little smaller. Oh, look at the unicorns. Aren't these pretty? I think those are so pretty. And look at the two colors. So you have that pink and you have that blue. Then you have the happy birthday here. Even the favor boxes and the blowouts. And these balloons, like this one here, they're metallic. And look at these. They have some nice balloons here. These are the little smiley faces. Very nice. Then you have the photo frame, the felt garland. Here's the love balloons. Aren't they nice? Then you have the crazy straws. Okay, guys. So we just got through going through the party section. Thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree just to take a look at their inventory on party stuff. I will see you in the next video.